At times, the Almighty gives us so many warning signs yet we totally ignore them. Often thinking we know better. Understand His plan. He is trying to protect us from harm and whatever evil that stands in the way. Stop stressing yourself over how your life is going to turn out. Nobody has it all figured out. No one knows. Only the one who made you knows what will happen. So live your life the best way you can and attach your heart to the one who matters most. Never doubt what the Almighty can do. The Lord of the worlds knows how to suddenly change things. He can suddenly move people out of your life. He can suddenly open doors you never dreamed would open. He is the best planner. Whatever you do, don't fall into this trap. Don't try to paint an awful picture of someone else in order to paint a perfect picture of yourself. It will come back to haunt you and it won't be a beautiful sight. Take heed. The closer you get to the Almighty, the more you will feel His mercy in your life. You'll find that your trials and difficulties become easier to handle. You understand His plan. He will touch the inner depths of your heart with a profound peace. Before careful of overspending, we break the bank for things which ultimately displease the Almighty. Don't give in to the whispering of Satan who says you need to live up to a certain lifestyle and reputation. At the end of the day, you'll end up the loser. Learn to appreciate the little things in life. They mean a lot. The Almighty has given us so much, more than we need, and we take them for granted. We keep wanting more. Constantly think of how blessed we are and never forget to thank Him. There's no end to what we want: better car, a bigger house, a better job, more money. The list is endless. Stop for a moment and think. Do we really need all that? Will they make us happy? Ask the Almighty for what's best. Trust Him to give you what you need most. How we comment or react on social media speaks volumes about who we are, how we think and what we stand for. The sad reality is that there are still so many out there who don't think positively. They think the worst of others and always ready to criticize. Don't be like them. We often take for granted the people closest to us, especially our parents. May the Almighty always guide us to be respectful and kind to them, no matter what status, position and power we have achieved in life. Remember how they brought us up when we were young.